Hey Bladers, welcome back to another awesome battle. We got Laban, a member of the Turbo 4, Vise Leopard, 12 Lift, Destroy Sling Shock. Against a member of the Big 5 from Beyblade Burst Evolution, Lui and Nightmare Luinor, Regular Destroy. Up to 6 points of course. Let's see who will take it, the Dragon or the Leopard. Round 1, Nightmare Luinor. Leopard. Oh! Epic hit I got on Luinor. Nice. That howling butt of it. But Luinor's still in it. Coming down to endurance. Wonder who's gonna take it. And Nightmare Luinor gets a last second first. So it gets 2 points. Round 2, Nightmare Luinor. And Vise Leopard. Oh, Leopard got a nice hit on Luinor. And another one. And another one. Luinor knocked really off balance. That's not good. It's practically scraping. Oh, it's trying to spin steel. It's trying to spin steel. Ah, but it couldn't. Leopard gets a point. Round 3, Luinor. Leopard. Oh, went into rails to get a good shot on Luinor. Oh, it's not good for Leopard. Damn, these hits are crazy hard. Who's gonna win it? Luinor's really low on stamina, surprisingly. Yo, Leopard actually takes it. It wasn't even close to bursting. Vise Leopard gets another point. Dragon Crush. Howling Bite. Whoa. Leopard's going crazy. Luinor's really low on stamina once again. It's scraping on that plate on the Destroy Performance tip. Goes down yet again. Leopard now has 3 points. Nightmare Boost. Oh, nice hit. Leopard unfortunately went back to battering mode though. These are some really hard hits. And Luinor takes that match with the survivor finish. 3. To 3. And Luinor gets a practically instantaneous burst finish on Leopard. So it gets 2 more points and just needs 1 more point to win. Nightmare Boost. Whoa! But yep, Leopard's taking that L. Went too crazy and lost all the stamina. Your winner is Lui VS Laban's Nightmare Luinor. Hope you enjoyed this awesome battle. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, for more intense Beyblade Burst battles.